Hi everyone! Recently a friend sent me a picture from a Hermes booklet showing a very original headscarf called Sophisticated Lady. I went to my scarf drawer and began experimenting straight away. In this video I will show you the original style and two variations. By the way, if you like vintage looks, I've got some great videos on retro-inspired headscarf and I will include a link at the end. And now let's tie our scarf. For this video, I'm going to use this beautiful vintage Eperon door by Hermes. First, tie a knot at one end of the scarf. Tie the knot at the back. Cover your head. Make a second knot at the front. You need to make it tight. And now twist the end and form a swirl. By the way, if you like vintage, I will include a few links in the description to some beautiful vintage scarves. Et voila! You are so sophisticated! The second style has the same base. As you can see, this end looks beautiful, and you can create a big flower from it. By the way, for more scarf ideas, remember to subscribe. How easy it is to make and how complex it looks. For the third style, we use the same base, but we turn it inside out. Spread out the fabric, hide the ends under the base. Et voila! You have this beautiful turban. And I'd like to thank my dear friends for all the help, all the support, and all these beautiful, beautiful pictures. Thank you. If you want to know more on vintage scarf styles, you can watch these videos to learn how to tie some great vintage inspired headscarves. If you like scarves, subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. I hope to see you next time. Bye!